Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Renz Gromo. Today, I explain an example of degree to region in real-life situation. Degree to region is the process of converting an angle measured in the degree into region. Example, 120 degree equal 2 over 3 pi regions. And now, we have one example of a word problem. A skateboarder performs a trick on a circular ramp and turns through an angle of 120 degree. Question: what is the angle of the skateboarder's turn in the regions? Given, sin equals 120 degree. To solve this given problem, we have region to degree formula. Region equals degree times pi over 180 degree. To solve this, we need to substitute the given value. 120 degree times pi over 180 degree equals 120 degree times pi equals 120 degree 120 pi over 180. Para makuha nato siya, ato siya i-divide sa 30. 120 divided by 30 is 4. 4 pi. And 180 divided by 30 is 6. So, pwede pa man nato siya ma-divide. Divide pa man nato siya sa 2. Divided by 2. So, 4 pi divided by 2 is 2 pi. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, the final answer is 2 pi over 3. So, this is the final answer. The solution shows that a skateboarder performed a trick on a circular ramp. Angle of 120 degree is 2 pi over 3. That's how degree to region used in real life situation.